good Tuesday morning to you, East Texas. We are seeing skies start to become more overcast as some of that moisture increases ahead of those rain chances over the next few hours. And temperatures right now about 49 in Tyler, winds east at about 10 miles per hour. So as we go forward over the next few hours, we'll really start to see those rain chances increase. You can see cloud cover already really starting to fill in here across East Texas. This is our storm system that's going to bring us those chances for some rain. And Futurecast does show that things start to pick up by around mid to late morning, and then by lunchtime we'll start to see more of those showers, a few rumbles of thunder as well, and then we could get a brief period of maybe some wintry mix, especially up here in our northern counties. So we'll watch for that carefully. Not expected to be many impacts at all, other than maybe a few slick spots on the roadways. So that is why the National Weather Service has gone ahead and issued a winter weather advisory for Morris, Cass, and Marion counties, again, just as a precaution for the potential for maybe a couple of slick spots on area roadways. Looking at rainfall totals today, really not going to be a whole lot. We're talking on the order of a ½ inch or less, with the highest totals in deep East Texas. As we look, of course, coming up at your temperatures, these are going to be significantly colder as we go into tomorrow morning. Right now, 49 in Tyler, 50 in Lufkin, and then you can see what's behind that cold front, 11 in Amarillo. So things are going to be significantly colder as we go into tomorrow. These temperatures are really nothing compared to what we're going to see. About 50 in our western counties, all the way down into Lufkin, 49 in Tyler, 44 in Longview. And as we look at the high temperature trend over the next 7 days, things are going to be very cold Wednesday and Thursday through Friday. And then we'll start to see things really moderate as we head into Sunday and Monday. And looking at your morning lows, that's when things start to really get serious in terms of protecting the 4 Ps, making sure that your pipes are wrapped. Definitely want to bring in those plants, make sure your pets are safe, because these temperatures are dangerous, especially on Thursday morning with air temperatures in the teens. Those Futurecast wind chills are going to be pretty cold, especially by Thursday morning. And looking at this evening, we'll really start to lower those wind chills as those northerly winds increase, and then we'll be down into the teens by Wednesday morning. And then going into Wednesday afternoon, we'll be in the single digits. By Thursday morning, close to 0. So these are dangerous wind chills that we definitely need to take those precautions to prevent any, of course, injuries because of those cold wind chills. 52 though is going to be the temperature today. Rain and thunder likely, an 80% chance of that. And then overnight tonight, the rain will be ending, and we'll really drop those temperatures down into the 20s by early Wednesday morning. Winds north at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Again, going to make for some very cold wind chills. And your 7-day forecast here in the Tyler area shows the rain ending, and then we're just cold and dry through Thursday. Some isolated showers Friday and Saturday, with temperatures moderating Sunday into Monday. And for deep East Texas, much of the same, and we'll see those temperatures in hard freeze territory for quite a while before things start to warm up by the beginning of next week.
Yeah, I'm certainly happy about that. We just got to get through the next several days here up until Sunday, and then things are going to look pretty nice, especially on Monday. I think it was like 74. Very nice. So we just have to get through. We'll see what happens starting tomorrow, but definitely, yeah, protect those 4 Ps as much as you can over the next several days before we do get into those warm temperatures.
Absolutely.
All right, Braden, thank you. We certainly appreciate it. And coming up next, we'll